What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Cricket Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. Now, folks, if you know me and you know our YouTube channel, you know that we don't just tell you what we love about our products. In fact, we focus more on what we don't like about it and who the products are not best suited for. By the way, I am going to put the full specification sheet on the screen at the end of the video, so if you want to dive deep into all the specs, make sure you stay tuned to the end. You can pause and go through it at your own pace. Now, the Golden Cricket is an amazing power wheelchair. It only weighs 33 pounds and supports up to 300 pounds, which is a combination you rarely see in any other model. The Golden Cricket is known for having a 100% full carbon fiber frame with flip-up armrests, a removable seat cushion, lithium battery. It is TSA approved. You can go on a cruise, you can go on an airplane with it. It's awesome. Trust me, there's not many other power wheelchairs out there that are going to combine that lightweight feature and the sturdiness of a 300-pound weight capacity chair. With that being said, there's a few things that I don't like about it. And before I dive into that, I need to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want to learn about our products, get access to discount codes and a ton of information about our company, claim a copy. It's free. Click on the top right-hand corner of the screen. It's going to take you to a form. Fill it out, put your address in. You'll get it in the mailbox within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, ask them any questions that you have. They'll answer them honestly. They're not going to recommend a product just to earn a big commission. They're only going to recommend products that fit your need and your budget. I do want to tell you that this is not an in-depth review video. If you want to see an in-depth review video, we actually have one, and it's playing on the screen in the background. Okay, that's going to go over all the specs, everything you need to know about it. In this video, I'm just going to tell you what I don't like about this product, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you about a new product that's coming out, the bigger brother. It's a game changer. It's going to support up to 400 pounds. If you want to see a sneak peek of that product, make sure you stay tuned to the end. I'm also going to put a hidden message on the screen that's going to give you access to a huge discount code that you can use towards purchasing any one of our products, including this model. So let's go ahead and talk about this. The Cricket is awesome. It's great. It supports 300 pounds, but personally, I weigh about 215 pounds, and one thing I don't like about it is the size of the seat and how comfortable the seat is. Okay, now let's take a look at this. I'm about a 215-pound dude, about 6 foot tall. The seat width here, it's just lacking. It's only 15 inches wide. Most chairs have at least 16 inches. A lot of them are 18 to 20 inches wide. I get that it's a folding model, but 15 inches is kind of narrow for my butt. I don't know about you, but if you're someone who's pushing close to that 300-pound weight capacity, let's say you're 250, 270 pounds, my caboose barely fits on it. The other thing is, look at this seat cushion. It's basically like a glorified paper plate. I mean, if you're spending top dollar on a carbon fiber power wheelchair, these things aren't cheap. Carbon fiber is an expensive material to make any product out of. I would expect a more comfortable seat. With that being said, I get it. There's no perfect chair out there, and to get a chair to only weigh 33 pounds, you need to kind of reduce the footprint of all the products, all the parts, I should say. So making the armrest thinner, making the backrest basically just a mesh screen, and using carbon fiber is how they do it. If they were to add an extra padded seat on here, it would bring the weight up to 35, 37, closer to 40 pounds. So I get it. I'm not bashing Golden Technologies. I think it's a great product, but in my personal opinion, it's probably better suited for someone who weighs less than 200 pounds. Not really for someone who's pushing close to that 300-pound maximum weight capacity. Now, the other thing I kind of don't like about it is, look at the size of his footplate. The footplate is only 5.5, actually just over 5.25 inches deep. I mean, I don't know about you, but I've got a size 12 shoe. I need something almost double the depth of that thing. So, between the footplate and the seat being so small, it's just not for me or someone who's my size. The last thing that I don't like about it is the fact that it doesn't have suspension and it doesn't have perforated tires, so it does kind of give you a stiff ride. If you're going on a sidewalk with extra big cracks on it, or if you're going in and out of your garage where you have a little 2-inch lip of a curb, you're going to feel that. Okay, and if you're like me and you've got bad hip or lower back problems, well, you're not going to feel good going over those bumps and imperfections on the road or sidewalk. Keep that in mind, folks. What I do love about it is that it's TSA approved, it's super strong, the material can take a beating. So if you're going on an airplane, which by the way, we have a documentary video showing you what it's like to travel with a power wheelchair from start to finish on an airplane. If you're preparing for a trip for the first time with a power wheelchair, I highly recommend watching that video. I'll put the link in the description of this video and in the top right-hand corner of the screen. So the fact that it's cruise ship approved, airline approved is a huge plus. I actually do like the mesh back seat. It's very comfortable, and in warmer states, it allows that airflow to reach your back, so you're not going to sweat as much on the backrest. With the fact that it has such a thin cushion, keep in mind you can remove the seat cushion and get an aftermarket cushion that's more padded, thicker, and you're going to feel a lot more comfortable on it. With that being said, you are going to have to spend extra money to get a third-party aftermarket cushion. Now, we actually have a video where we compare all of the top folding power wheelchairs on a super steep hill made out of grass. If you want to see that video, I'll put the link in the top right-hand corner. It's a great video. It's going to show you which power wheelchairs blend power with comfort and price point. This is going to be one of the weaker models when it comes to off-road ability. In fact, it failed the test of going up the hill in the back of our store. And the bummer is that we have another model that's the same exact price, which is a lot more powerful and passed the hill test with flying colors. If you want to know which model that is, you're going to have to watch that hill test video. Click at the top right-hand corner of the screen, or wait till the end of the video and you'll see an option to play that video on the screen. I think the price point should reflect its performance and comfort features, and unfortunately, the price point, lack of comfort features, lack of power, in my opinion, need a little bit of an adjustment. With that in mind, we do offer discounts year-round, tax-free sales, and free shipping, as well as financing options. So if you give us a call with the number below, ask for our secret discount code. We'll hook you up with the best price we can get. Not only that, we offer lifetime customer support. We're A-rated by the BBB, and we offer lifetime technical support for all of our customers. Now keep in mind, Golden Technologies has other power wheelchairs which are a lot more powerful. Some of them are even more affordable, but they're not going to be made with carbon fiber. They're not going to be as lightweight as this model. Well, folks, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, this is not an in-depth review. If you want to learn all about the specs, make sure you check out our in-depth review video. This video was just to tell you what I don't like about it. And like I said at the beginning, I'm going to put on the screen the big brother of the Cricut, which is the Cricut HD. It's coming out very soon. We were able to see it at the MedTrade Expo in 2024. They had a sample model on display. It's going to hold up to 400 pounds. I'm guessing it's only going to weigh around 40 pounds. We don't know yet. But when it comes out, we're going to have one in our store. We're not just an online dealer. We have brick and mortar locations. So if you want to test drive this puppy or the HD version when it's out, come on by. We'd love to earn your business. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I will personally respond within 1 business day. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and make sure you pay attention for that secret message on the screen that's coming up soon, because you're not going to want to miss out on that exclusive discount code. We'll see you in the next video, everyone. Have a great day.